What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. Yet another week, guys. So in this video, guys, I'll be going through details of what was happening to me this week in terms of trading, in terms of analysis and executing the trades. So three main things happened this week, guys. We experienced a loss on Monday. I had a live session on that one. And another thing, on Tuesday we didn't have any setups. Wednesday I had a setup, but I missed that setup. Then on Thursday I took a setup and we made profit on that one. Friday I could have took a setup, but I was busy editing a video for you guys. So guys, we're gonna go into details in a bit. Now we're gonna go to the charts and go into details. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the comment section below. Hit on the notification bell so that every time we drop you get notified, and tell us what do you think about these type of vlogs in the trading industry. So guys, let's go to the charts and let me go into detail about what was happening this week. So guys, this is the NQ, the Nasdaq setup that we took on Monday. This is the Monday setup that we took, and it took us out with this push momentum of this candlestick. So if you want to see that from start to finish, you can watch the previous video on the live session that I had from start to finish. So I won't be explaining as much on that one. On Tuesday we didn't have any setups. On Tuesday price just came and tapped into this fair value gap, and then it didn't show me any confluations or whatsoever. It was just consolidation, and that's all. So on Wednesday, this is the setup that I missed on Wednesday. What I was looking at on Wednesday, I was looking at price to come and mitigate in this fair value gap or tap into this insufficiency over here, and it really did came in this insufficient, because I was looking at this as a market maker method and this as a market maker method. So once we tapped into that, I wanted to wait for a push or a momentum to the upside. I wanted to see displacement being taken out. So these highs were taken out. I saw a displacement here. So after this displacement, I was waiting for price to come back and tap into this order block over here, or I can say a breaker block in this area over here. So I was waiting for price to come and tap into these areas, but price eventually shoot straight to the upside, which my target was around these areas. It shoot straight to the upside without tricking my buy limit orders in. So that's how I missed a setup on Wednesday. Moving on to Thursday, we had here, I was looking at price to come and tap into this fair value gap, the higher time frame fair value gap over here. But look at what price did. Price just came and penetrated all the way through until it had a clear confirmation while it was down here. So the reason why I missed it, I could have took this trade this Wednesday trade, I could have took it and went to the upside. Is because I don't want to see price mitigating a fair value gap or inefficiency, and then I want to be there and execute same time. I want to see that push of the price giving me a displacement, then a retracement, then I can take what I can take. I can execute from there. So once we came into the fair value gap, 4 hour fair value gap on this one, I wasn't interested. I wanted to wait for a clear move. So on Thursday we had a setup whereby I waited for a clear move. What we had here, we broke these lows. Once we broke these lows and tapped into the higher time frame fair value gap, I wanted to see a displacement of price action, whereby I can see price making a displacement, which it did make a displacement. So after that, I was waiting for price to come back and fill up this inefficiency over here. You can call this a breaker block, you can call this an order block, and price came and filled up that inefficiency over here. That's where I was able to capitalize from this trade, and I was looking at this as the profit taking area. So this was my profit taking area. That's the trade that I was able to execute and profit from on Thursday. Then on Friday I was busy editing a video. I could have took this trade over here because it was fitting all the plans that I had. It was fitting all the criteria of my system. These lows were taken out and we were filling up this inefficiency over here. We had a push momentum to the upside, which is the displacement that I would usually look for. Then we had a retrace, and then we went to the upside. So I would have took this setup and look for take profit in these areas. So it would have been a good setup on Friday, but I missed it due to that I was still editing some videos for YouTube. So that's it for the charts. Those were the setups that I was involved in. So the main takeaway to these setups that I had last week was that even if you make a loss, even if you miss a setup, but the only thing that you should keep on doing is to be available on the charts, because you don't know when is your next win, you don't know when is your next loss. But the only way to find out is for you to show up every day, be present every day, make those moves, take those setups, look for those opportunities and grab those opportunities. As long as you follow your system, you follow your risk management, you follow your plan, and then you trading your plan. So that's the main takeaway of the things that I've learned from executing in the market on the past few days on last week's setups. Because Monday I had a drawdown. On Wednesday I missed a good setup that I was thinking about. It went to my direction, but it never triggered my buy limit orders. But on Thursday, that opportunity presented itself exactly as it is, and it gave me the opportunity to be involved. If I wasn't present on Thursday, I was not gonna get that opportunity to execute and make profit and cover the loss that I had on Monday and make profit on top of it. So the main takeaway is that's the thing that I've learned. That's the main takeaway that I've learned, is that if I'm being present at all the times, I can see the opportunities and take advantage of those opportunities. But if I lack consistency, that's where I'm not gonna get involved. That's where I'm gonna lose opportunities, and that's where I'm not gonna be profitable. Being profitable doesn't mean that you're making profits each and every day or each and every week, but it's you consistently showing up to the charts, grabbing those opportunities, seeing those opportunities and utilizing them for you to be profitable or for you to grow and improve. So that goes to any aspects of life. It could be trading, it could be anything else. If you keep showing up every day, you can see growth and improvement. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the comment section below. And thank you for watching if you watch until the end of the video. See you guys on the next video. Can't wait to make more videos and more vlogs for you guys. Thanks a lot to our new subscribers and people who are watching our vlogs. Thank you so much, guys. Much love. Cheers.